Now we should be able to discover what happened to Crypto-136. My scans have identified several radioactive areas in your vicinity. But there is one in particular that looks like it could be a crash site.
I'm on it. Any of those baboons laid one hairy finger on me, I'll rip them a new asshole.
What have you discovered?
This is where 136 hit the dirt, all right.
Scientist.
You found his ship?
A few little pieces, most of it's
Why
gone.
won't those commies invade?
Recover any Furon technology the humans may have found. And rescue Crypto-136.
Monkeys probably hitched the ship to their donkeys and dragged it back to their mud village so they can worship it as a god.
I mustn't be late. They're waiting for me in the test chamber. Oh wait, wrong game. The brass always bust my chops. Jackasses. I don't know. I just don't feel like I'm being all I can be. I want to be just like Sergeant York. Or Gomer Pyle.
I could take that guy, and her.
If I don't get to shoot somebody soon, I'm gonna go out of my mind. I knew I should have joined the Texas Air National Guard. Now that'd be some easy duty. Don't ask, don't tell. Works for me. Audie Murphy is a pussy. Now John Wayne, that's a man's man.
Wonder what I'd look like in some other color. I hear brown is the new black.
All of this, khaki that. What the hell's wrong with fuchsia? March here, march there, march it yourself, jerk-off.
I'd give my moral compass for 1 second with a fresh alien corpse, if I had one. Achtung!
This ain't like WW2.
Why does Silhouette give me these jobs? I wonder if it's because I hit on her at the Majestic Christmas party. Wait, no one's even supposed to know Silhouette's a chick. Scratch that.
An army of one. I'm so lonely. I have a rifle. Her name is Sue. My DI sure is a mean son of a gun.
I must say, that vacuum cleaner salesman made a very compelling pitch.
Armquist is my hero.
What am I thinking? I could tell you, but then I'd have to kill you.
Uncertainty principle? Give me a break. Grow some balls, Heisenberg.
My pappy fought in the big one.
I have to report to Hoover again. Please, God, let him be wearing pants this time.
Damn, that drill sarge booted me out of easy company. Now I pulled this lame duck assignment.
Look at these people. Weak, pathetic. Without us, they'd be toast.
Where could these humans have imprisoned Crypto-136? Find out if one of these military monkeys knows
Standard
more.
insertion procedures. Ah, insert tab A into slot B. What could go wrong?
Man, do I hate marching. These boots suck. Wonder if anybody'd notice if I went AWOL. I love my country. I love my flag.
Oh, I'm so sick of guarding that stupid, shiny, round hunk of commie metal for those guys in the suits. Melt it down and turn it into cold, hard American ammo. I'd have a GI party with a toothbrush if I told you.
This majestic stronghold must be where they are holding Crypto-136.
Flying discs are as real as the one crashed on this base. Majestic really is covering it all up, but this don't tell thing is really working for me.
They've come
Throw down,
kick-ass
baby.
and
Freeze out, little man.
and they're all out
It's
of
killer
bubblegum.
time. You're stop. I got peanuts. You want a piece? Thought about joining up? Help! Here's Johnny.
In the name
Lex.
of Joe McCarthy and everything that's
You're
holy.
go. Come here, little buddy. On your knees, cowboy. Beg me to spare your life.
Here's a close encounter of the painful kind.
I've got it! The solution to Fermat's last theorem! It's... Oh, wait, crap!
I love my country. I love my flag. Uh-oh, what do I do with my gun? It's not in my holster, not in my pants. Oh, it's in my hand. I knew I should have joined the Texas Air National Guard. Now that'd be an army of one. I'm so lonely. I want to be just like Sergeant York. Why won't those commies invade already? I want to shoot me some Reds. Wonder if anybody'd notice if I went AWOL. I have a rifle. Her name is Sue. All of this, khaki that. What the hell's wrong with fuchsia?
If only I could dissect that alien. It has Nobel Prize written all over its little green head.
Kinsey was right. I am a smoldering hotbed of sexuality under my cold, reserved exterior.
That Klaatu freak in our lab better get us the results we need. More paperwork, more FPS reports. That little freak in the lab, those little Furon freaks can run, but they can't hide from us. I have to put them in the lab before Silhouette puts me there first.
God does not play dice with the universe. He does, however, hit the blackjack tables.
I like Huffman, but I'll kill him in a second if I get the order. I don't know. I just don't feel like I'm being all I can be. The brass always bust my chops. Jackasses. What if the other guys notice? Oh, who cares? Lace feels so comfortable under this suit. My DI sure is a mean son of a gun.
You know, I still don't get that magic eye thing. I can't see the damn dolphin.
And now if they send me into Cuba, bam, no more problem. That's all I'm saying. God, I look good. Scratch that. I look real good.
Here is my theorem. Quantum physics is crap. Boars schmoes. I poop on his theory.
I really thought you'd be alive. Ah, Crypto, look what they've done to us. Laid us open like an animal. How could intelligent creatures do this? Okay, monkeys. You want a war? You got a war.
What? What did you find, Crypto?
We're dead. An honorable death at the hands of an enemy in battle, that's one thing, Pox, but they desecrated us. And they're gonna pay. Oh, yes, they're gonna pay.
I know what you're thinking, ladies. And yes, I'm available. You pick. Damn. Me sick.
My head!
End up like your predecessor. Return to the mothership. We'll use that data tape to...
Are you kidding me? If it's the last thing I do, I'm gonna make them pay for this.
Pay? Oh, we'll make them pay. Wait just a little longer and you'll see just how destructive we can be. Bring me that data tape at once. That's an order!
Beg me to spare your life. Let's do this. I can take it. I can take it. You're going! Freeze! It's killer time! I destroyed entire Korean villages. I think I'm scared of you. You want a piece of this? Get out of the way. You're blocking my shot. Get out of the goddamn... Freeze! Stop! Drop it! You want a piece of this cake? Freeze! You're going! Midget! Drop it! Freeze! Drop your